All right, guys. So I was just at CompTIA ChannelCon a couple weeks ago, and like, surprise, there's going to be a bunch of new certifications coming down the pike. Last year they added a bunch of expert certifications. This year they're adding some, um, you know, uh, I don't want to call them remedial, but early career certifications that maybe even precede your first entry level position. Really great for people that are in college still, or maybe even still in high school and middle school. So that stuff's happening. There's this whole new brand that you guys are going to be hearing about. There's this. I don't know if you guys know this. CompTIA puts this like plus sign on the end of a lot of their certifications, and that came from the A plus, which was like the original certification, A with a capital A. But they're actually creating little a, lowercase a certifications, which come first across the whole spectrum. So that's exciting. Stay tuned. They haven't officially launched it, but it was on stage a couple weeks ago, so I'm happy to blast it out there. Um, let's talk about where they're at right now. What's available today? So today, CompTIA has gone far beyond A plus. Security plus was added several years ago. It is the number one most recommended certification for people who are starting their cybersecurity career. Go get that Security Plus. It will credential you to go get your first cybersecurity job. It's actually, even though it's for an entry level cyber position, it's actually challenging. And if you don't have the background, you may have to start before that. And you'll see at the top of the screen that there's some things before that. But they've got a bunch of other certifications. So they have them across core technology skills. They have them specifically on IT infrastructure. They've got the new cybersecurity certification focus. They've got a data focus, and there's more of those coming. There's going to be AI soon. And then they've got those professional certifications around, for example, project management. So I'm going to dig in a little bit on the cyber stuff specifically because we're a cyber podcast here. So what's really quite special about the CompTIA certifications is the career track. So A plus was sort of the first and foremost entry level IT skill, and then they added Network Plus to show that you also could engineer a network, and then they added Security Plus, which was Security Essentials and qualified you for an entry level cyber job. They also added that IT Foundational, which is a slightly lower bar than an A plus, but a good stopping stone on the way. And really, in the last few years, they've added these cybersecurity focused certifications, Pen Test Plus, CISA Plus, and the CAS Plus. So these are really exciting. It's exciting for me because it used to be that Security Plus was the end of the road, and those of us in the security industry didn't take CompTIA's cybersecurity career path very seriously, for CompTIA certifications. So Security Plus was a great starter, but then after that, you'd have to go to another certification um, brand to get those intermediate and expert level skills. So I love that CompTIA added these. So we're